What's up friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your account or your space on Google One. So all you have to do is just head over to Google, guys, ensure that you sign into your Google account, click on the Google app, scroll down, find Google One and click there. Now keep in mind that the Google One, the account, the space is all tied into your Google Drive space, and when you come to Google One you will see the amount of free space that you have and so forth. So if you want to upgrade your account, you can just simply click on upgrade on the upper left hand side, and that's going to really show you the different options that you can get. So here you can get, for let's say $2 per month, you can get 100 gigabytes storage, right? You have photos, drive, and so much more, Gmail, right? So you can get the premium plan as well if you want to get the 2 terabyte for basically $10 per month. And if you want basically the AI Pro, which allow you to use AI and so much more, you can go ahead and you can get that as well, and you can see all the goodies that you get here. So just in order to upgrade, just select the account that you want, click and get started, proceed, and you will be taken over to where you will be able to make the payment. And as you can see, you are choosing your payment method and so much more, and you'll be able to subscribe to that Google One plan that you wish. And that's it.